You need to hear this if you're a human. Why do we fart? It's a question that might make you giggle, but it's actually a fascinating part of our biology. Farting, or flatulence, is something everyone does, and it's a sign that your digestive system is working as it should. But what exactly causes this gassy phenomenon? Let's find out. Farting, also known as flatulence, is totally normal. It's your body's way of getting rid of excess gas that builds up in your digestive system. This gas can come from a variety of sources, including the air you swallow and the food you eat. It's your body's way of saying, hey, I'm done digesting. When you eat, you swallow air along with your food. This air travels down into your stomach and intestines, where it mixes with the gases produced by the breakdown of food. Your digestive system is like a complex chemical factory, breaking down food into nutrients your body can use. When you eat, you swallow air and your food gets broken down in your stomach and intestines. This process involves a lot of chemical reactions, and one of the byproducts is gas. The types of food you eat can influence how much gas is produced. For example, foods that are high in fiber, like beans and whole grains, tend to produce more gas because they are harder for your body to break down. This process creates gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and even a little bit of methane. These gases are a natural part of digestion, and they need to find a way out of your body. The majority of the gas is absorbed into your bloodstream and eventually exhaled through your lungs, but some of it travels down to your intestines and is released as a fart. All these gases need to find a way out, and that way is your butt. Here's the kicker. The amount and type of gas you produce can vary depending on what you eat and how your body processes it. Some people are more sensitive to certain foods and may produce more gas as a result. Certain foods like beans, cabbage, and carbonated drinks can create more gas. These foods contain complex carbohydrates and sugars that are difficult for your body to digest. When these substances reach your intestines, bacteria break them down, producing gas as a byproduct. This is why you might feel extra gassy after a meal that includes these foods. So if you chow down on a bean burrito, expect some musical moments later. It's all part of the digestive process. And while it might be embarrassing, it's completely natural. In fact, the average person farts between 5 and 15 times a day. And why do farts smell? The smell of a fart comes from small amounts of sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds are produced when your body breaks down certain foods, especially those that are high in sulfur. That's thanks to tiny amounts of sulfur in the gas. Foods like eggs, meat, and some vegetables are high in sulfur, and when they are digested, they produce gases that contain sulfur compounds. These compounds are what give farts their characteristic smell. The more sulfur-rich foods you eat, like eggs or meat, the stinkier the fart. So, if you want to avoid smelly farts, you might want to watch your intake of these foods. But remember, a little bit of gas is a normal part of digestion. So next time you let one rip, just remember, it's all part of being human. Everyone farts, and it's a sign that your digestive system is doing its job. So, embrace your body's natural processes and have a laugh about it. And it's a great way to clear a room. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this gassy adventure and learned something new about your body. Now go share this stinky truth with your friends, spread the knowledge and the laughs. After all, farting is just another way our bodies remind us that we're all human.